How to fix Instagram stories not loading. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. And if you see that the stories aren't loading, then what you can do is to actually make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection so that the stories can be loaded. So here you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, or if your Wi-Fi is currently down, then you can go to the cellular data. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to actually go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and look for Instagram. Now here, you have to make sure that your application is updated, because the reason why your stories are not loading, that is because your application is currently outdated. So what you can do is to update your application. So tap on update button if you see an update button. Now, if you're done updating your Instagram and there's still a problem, then what you can do, or the last resort you can do, is to go here to your Instagram application, and then on the bottom part you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that, and then on the upper right you'll see three dash lines. Tap on that and scroll here and go to settings. Now here on settings, look for help, and then you go here to your report a problem, and then report problem without shaking, and tap on include and continue, and then briefly explain what's your problem. So you can put there your Instagram stories are not loading, and if you have a screenshot, then send or attach the screenshot there, and tap on send on the upper right, and wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem. Now, the last thing that you can do is to go here to your settings, and you can also go here directly to your general and go to your iPhone storage. Then just wait for it to load and look for Instagram here, and then offload the application and reinstall the application. So it will be refreshing the application directly. And just wait for it to reinstall. And basically, that's how you fix your Instagram stories. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.